Welcome, welcome in all childs. Indira Gandhi National Open University College. Today I am going to teach you 7th standard lesson establishment of self state. This is our country, India. This is the one of the image of Shivaji Maharaj. So today we are going to this is the image of Shivaji Maharaj. This is the image of father of Shivaji Raja.
सांगितलं का सर काय करायचं तुम्हाला
Shivaji Shahaji Raje support to Raja Shivaji, and this is the mother of Shivaji Maharaj. Name is Jizau. This is the Isaji Kang who helped in war to Shivaji Maharaj. Isaji Kang also helped to Maharaj, and this is the best and favorite image of Baji Prabhu Deshpande. This is the image of this is the fort of Torna, Shivneri. This is beautiful fort. Where this fort here Shivaji Maharaj born of Shivaji Maharaj own first time. This is the beautiful fort. This is the other side of the Torna fort. This is the front side of Torna fort, and other this is the sides of Shivneri. Current position of the front side of Shivneri. After that, Shivaji Maharaj attack on Afzal Khan at Pratapgarh, fort of Pratap. This is also same image of Afzal Khan. This is the one side of fort of this assignments. Now all of you discuss about the self-government. Make a group and discuss about it. So you listen carefully.